This is example 2 from the 10-2 notes on fraction busters. So this equation says 5x divided by 3 plus 15 over 2 equals 5 over 2. Remember, our first step was to identify what the least common multiple is out of our denominators. So in this case, we need a number that 2 and 3 both go into. So if you think about it, if you started counting by 2s, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and you started counting by 3s, 3, 6, 9, 12, notice there that we end up with 6 on both of them, right? So our least common multiple here is going to be 6. Both 3 and 2 go into 6. Our second step, remember, is to multiply both sides of the equation by 6. And remember, when we do it, we just multiply the top, and then you can divide by the bottom. So 6 times 5x is going to be 30x, right? That's still over 3. And 30 divided by 3 is going to give us 10x. So some of you may want to jump all the way down to this step. If you're comfortable with that, that's fine. Okay. Some of you will probably want to do this step in between. 6 times 15, right? And if you need to use a calculator, you can use it. That would be 90. That one's still over 2. So that 90 divided by 2 is going to give us 45. Then we have our equal sign. And on this side, we're going to do 6 times 5, which was 30. That one's still over 2. So when we simplify, 30 divided by 2 gives us 15. So now we have the equation 10x plus 45 equals 15. Now it's just a two-step equation. We're going to subtract our 45 from each side, right? Just isolating our x values. So there's our zero pair that cancels out. We've got negative 30 should equal 10 times x. And then we'll divide each side by 10, and we get x is equal to negative 3. Okay, so now that we know x is negative 3, we can always take it and check it. So let's do 5 times negative 3 all over 3 plus 15 over 2 should equal 5 over 2. And you can do this on a calculator, when you're doing your check or however you wish to do it. I know that 5 times negative 3 is negative 15, and then divided by 3 should give me negative 5. 15 divided by 2 is 7.5, and 5 divided by 2 is 2.5. Well, when I combine negative 5 and 7.5, that gives me 2.5, which balances out our equation. We know that it is correct. So this is problem number 2. We'll get ready to move on to problem number 3 in the next video.